Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to format the SanDisk USB flash drive using this device. So first of all we need to connect this SanDisk USB flash drive with this phone. You can see I successfully connected. Okay. After connect this flash drive to your device, go to files. Okay, now you can see the name of the flash drive is here. So press and hold this name. So here you can see the option erase. Tap on this one. So here you can select the format options APFS, that means Apple File System, exFAT and MS-DOS. You can select any one from here. So see, here I am going to select the option APFS. So before that I will show you, tap on the flash drive. You can see some files and videos are here. Okay, now go to the tap on press and hold, tap on erase. So here I am going to select the option APFS, Apple File System. Tap on this one, tap on erase on the top right side, tap on erase. Now you can see this working. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, successfully completed. Tap on again, tap on the name. You can see it is empty. So simply in this way you can easily format your SanDisk flash drive using this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.